Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name's Lawrence and I'm going to show you how to make an interactive piece with HTML using Construct 3. So anyway, let's just get on with it. So basically I already made the hover, because this bit I want to cover over the pins or the whatever you want to call them, and I want the picture to come up, so I'm going to show you how to do that today on this little bit. So let's get started. Like I said, I already got the pictures. I already made them using GIMP. I got 7 pictures to fill out each one, and so basically I'm going to add a new subfolder. Actually, I might as well. This one's called Hover Photos. Right click on there and add new object type. Go to Sprite, click anywhere on the picture, load image, the second one when it loads. Yeah, I already got the pictures, so I already made 7 pictures with the name of the wonder and the picture itself. So I already made that using GIMP. I'll show you quickly. I'll put these all up a minute, actually one at a time. You can see I just put a black well, actually I did a new layer, made a rectangle shape, filled it in, then transparent it a little bit to make it see through with a yellow color writing, so you can see it better if you can see it at all, with a 500 by 500 image size, which is more than enough to see what the picture is. It should come out perfect with that size, 500 by 500 pixels. So that's the first one. Gotta rename it. Copy the image, paste for the new bit, for the new picture even. Right, you click on it, load the next image. They're all the same size and same thing, as you will see. Oop, I did the wrong one. I gotta copy and paste. I renamed them as I'm going along, so I know which one's what in a minute. fact, you just clone it. You don't need to copy and paste. You can just clone it. I just realised. Well, extra steps. Okay, so we've got all of them now named and in the actual construct 3. So the next part is coding time. Let's get back to the event sheet where all the coding goes on. In fact, I might make another. Yeah, let's make another event sheet. Call this hover. Okay, so add event, mouse. When the cursor is over object, choose the object. I choose Egypt first. Now I need to see which ones are which. Back in a minute. It took some while for me to actually work out how to do this, so I had to actually go into my old interactive pieces and work it out. But I managed to copy and paste the actual stuff I won't need like that and that, so I don't need that at the moment. But basically it's when you go mouse, cursor is over Egypt 1, pin Egypt. Oh no, undo that. You go back. You don't have to go back though, but you could go to Egypt, pin the markers, Egypt, spawn up object, hover Giza, layer 0, because you're on the layer 0, there's a, at the left side, I meant the right hand side, there's layer 0, and on the other side there's a 0 which represents which layer you're in. For each layer it will go up or down depending on where you are, or I can't remember, but that is how it is anyway. So you put it on layer 0, image point nothing, template, just leave it as it is basically. Set position to, this is where you might have to do it by eye, but you put markers, hover photo, geezer. That might not be right out at the moment, but we'll work it out in a minute. Pin, oh yeah, you want to press mouse when cursor is over marker Egypt, spawn the picture, hover, set position, which will set position in a minute, and this one you want mouse when cursor is over Egypt, the first one, but you want to press I. I need to do it again, but you press I to make it invert, I for invert, and the cursor is not over the mouse. Destroy geezer. On left button, double click. Is that done already? Yeah, that's done already. We don't need that. And we'll just leave that as it is. So we'll see what it's like now. Gotta make sure it's on the same. It's all in the same page, and it's all in. It's on the same, which is not, because it's got to be on hover. It's got to be on this right event sheet, but this one's got to be on hover because. Oh no, main layout. Sorry, I said it wrong. Main layout for that one, and hover. I think that's right actually. I'm getting all pickled, so I haven't had much sleep, so I'm a bit pickled. But anyway, let's try the, see if this works now. There you go. Hover over it, and you don't hover over it, it disappears. You can zoom in a bit more, but better off zooming out. In fact, I should make it a bit smaller. It's a bit big. It takes up a lot of space. Well, not too much, but it should be a bit smaller. Maybe not. Right, I just worked out the size, and it's 200 by 200, so ignore the 500 by 500. You want to resize it to 200 by 200, and it should come up this size. I'll show you again. Click on and drag it. Click out a bit. There you go. That's one picture. You get the picture there. If you click, you can make it purple and yellow, but that's the first one. So I'm gonna repeat it, and I'll see you in a minute. Okay, so I managed to fill in all the cursors and the hover pictures, and I'm just about to test it to see if it works. Hopefully it all works. There might be one or two mistakes, but I can always go back and fix them. But yeah. Alright, click in, drag, get out of it. And as you can see, you can now zoom out a bit more. Zoom in. And as you can see now, you can hover over and you can now see a picture of each wonder of the world. There's 7, that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. One, 2, 3, 4, 5. Where's Turkey? Oh, what happened to Turkey? I just gotta put Turkey in, and that is it for this video, and I'll see you on the next one.